What makes someone effortlessly attractive? It might be their natural charm. Here are 7 signs that you are an exceptionally charming person. Number 1. You make others feel special. Charming people have a way of making others feel important. They don't just talk about themselves. They genuinely listen. They remember small details, like someone's name, hobbies, or a story they once shared. When they engage in conversation, they give their full attention, avoiding distractions like their phone. If people often feel comfortable opening up to you, it's a clear sign that you have a naturally charming personality. Number 2. You have a warm and genuine smile. A smile is one of the most powerful social tools, and charming people use it naturally. Their smile isn't forced or fake, it comes from the heart. A genuine smile can instantly make people feel comfortable, even in awkward situations. Plus, smiling is contagious. When you smile at someone, they are likely to smile back. If people often respond to your smile with warmth, that's a strong sign of your charm. Number 3. You are a great listener. Charming people don't just talk in an engaging way, they listen with full attention. They don't just wait for their turn to speak, but truly absorb what the other person is saying. They respond appropriately, nodding, showing expressions that match the conversation, or asking follow-up questions. This makes people feel valued and understood. If people often say they feel comfortable talking to you, it's because your charm makes them feel important. Number 4. You can easily lighten the mood. Charming people don't let awkward situations last long. They have the ability to make others feel at ease, whether through light humor, friendly jokes, or simply being warm and approachable. They can read the room and know when to speak or when to stay silent. They help shy people feel more confident joining a conversation. If people often feel more comfortable after talking to you, that's a sign of your exceptional charm. Number 5. Your positive energy is contagious. Charming people don't have to be overly energetic, but they always bring a positive vibe. They don't complain all the time or spread negativity. Instead, they encourage others, find the good in situations, and spread an uplifting energy. This makes people want to be around them because they leave others feeling happier and more motivated. If people often say they feel better after talking to you, that's a strong sign of your charm. Number 6. You are confident but not arrogant. Confidence is one of the biggest traits of charming people, but there's a huge difference between confidence and arrogance. Truly charming people don't feel the need to brag or put others down. They are comfortable with themselves but also make others feel appreciated. They accept compliments gracefully without acting superior. If people often say you seem confident without being cocky, that's a strong sign that you have a magnetic personality. Number 7. You leave a lasting impression. The true sign of a charming person is how people feel after they leave. If people feel happier, more motivated, or more confident after interacting with you, it proves that your charm is real. Charming people don't just exist in a room. They make an impact. Their words, actions, and kindness stay in people's minds long after they're gone. If people often say they enjoyed meeting you or want to talk to you again, that's a sign that your charm leaves a strong impression. Being charming isn't about being perfect, it's about how you make others feel.